create Acumbamail subscriber from WS Form submission automatically. So WS Form is a form builder plugin of WordPress, and in this video I'll show you how to integrate WS Form with Acumbamail email marketing software in such a way that whenever the form is submitted in WS Form, create the subscriber automatically in Acumbamail software. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the WS Form plugin already installed into my WordPress website, and this is the dashboard of Acumbamail. And in order to sync my form submission with the Acumbamail, firstly I will have to integrate these two software with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in, but you can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button. And in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name as create Acumbamail subscriber from WS Form submission. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any new form submission is made via WS Form Builder software, then automatically create a subscriber using that form submission in Acumbamail email marketing software. Okay, so I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window one by one. Okay, now the idea here is I will be connecting both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us connect a WS Form with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly we will select the trigger event, that is new form submission receive, new form submission, and as soon as I do that, you will notice a webhook URL and few set of instructions. So you will have to follow these instructions one by one very carefully. It is saying that you'll have to firstly install and activate this WS Form plugin, which I have already shown you that I have already installed this plugin in my WordPress website. Okay, now I will copy this webhook URL and will edit my WS Form. Okay, so here you can notice I have created this basic contact form. Firstly I will edit this form, and at the top right corner you will find an option of action. Okay, so give me a second, I'll show you everything. So here you will find an option of action. Simply click on that option, then further you'll have to click on this push to custom endpoint. After that click on the setting option, and here exactly you will have to paste the same webhook URL which you have actually got from Pabbly Connect. So I have pasted the same, and from this mapping section you can check whether all the fields have been mapped correctly or not. Now clicking on the save and close button, and this is how the webhook URL has been added in WS Form. That means the connection in WS Form and Pabbly Connect is done. Now in order to test this connection, you will have to log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically here the test submission means creation of a new form submission in our WS Form, for which it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so I am going to do the same. I will simply preview this WS Form and will make a dummy form submission, and you will notice the same form submission data will be received via Pabbly Connect because we have just connected WS Form with the Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Okay, so give me a second. So I have provided some dummy details like the first name as demo, last name as user, email address as demoUser4321@pabblytudes.com, and this is just a dummy phone number. Clicking on this submit button, and as soon as the submission is made here, you will notice the same form submission data will be received via Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received, and here we have the same phone number, the same last name, first name and email address. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between WS Form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So in this way, the first step of our automation is done, and now onwards what will happen? Every time any user will submit this specific form, the submission data will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so once we have the form submission data, we can easily send this data to different email marketing application like Acumbamail. In place of Acumbamail, if you want to send this data to MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, you can also do the same. You just need to search your favorite application in this way. Okay, so here you will find a lot of application. Let me show you one more application, that is ActiveCampaign. Okay, so now I will once again search for the Acumbamail only, and now just like we have connected WS Form with Pabbly Connect, now I'll be connecting this Acumbamail with Pabbly Connect. So I have selected the action event, simply clicking on connect, then clicking on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API key. Okay, so I will be directly clicking on this hyperlink, and if you are already logged in, you will be redirected to this specific place. Firstly, I will translate this page, and from here I will copy this auth token. Okay, give me a second and let me paste the same, clicking on save, and this is how Acumbamail also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Here you can notice, and because we are connected, whatever the subscribers list I have created in my Acumbamail email marketing account have started visible here, and I would like to send the data, I would like to create the subscriber in this specific list, so I will be selecting the same. Let me even show you the same data here. Okay, so here you can notice all the list name, and I have selected this leads and contacts list, and it consists of 0 subscribers currently. Okay, so now it is asking for updating the existing subscriber data. So if you have any existing subscriber and you would like to update the data, you can keep this value as true, double opt-in. Again, if you want to activate the sending of confirmation email when adding the subscriber, you can keep it as true, otherwise keep it as false. Okay, now it is asking for the email, first name, last name and mobile number. Now you tell me from where I am going to provide the data here. Remember, we have already captured this data as a response of our trigger step. Okay, and the interesting thing is, I am not going to manually copy this data and paste here again and again. I am going to map the above data, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and this is how it will be mapped, and in the same way I will map other details also. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details we will map here from this drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. But just in case if you will provide any detail manually, that detail will remain same. So this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manually, and mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Basically, this is how this automation is going to take place in real time. Now finally, I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and will wait for the response, and if the positive response is received, that means the subscriber is created successfully in your Acumbamail email marketing software. Okay, so waiting for that, fingers crossed. So the response is received. Let me go back to Acumbamail software and refresh it, and here you can notice under this lead and contact list one subscriber is showing. Let us edit this list and check whether it is the same subscriber or not. And here you can notice with the same email address a subscriber has been created automatically in our email marketing software with the same first name, last name and mobile number. So in this way, with the help of automation software Pabbly Connect, you can automatically create subscribers in Acumbamail email marketing software directly from WS form submission. And to automate this entire process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. Simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free.
Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.